Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Subaru Outback. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, heated front and rear seats, blind spot sensor, rear wipers, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.